Hey sis, welcome back to my channel. Today we have a special guest. Say hi, baby.
Hello everybody.
Oh my god.
You said to say hi, innit?
Anyway, so today we've got a special challenge for y'all. What's the challenge, baby?
Something about do makeup or something like that.
So it's gonna be boyfriend, fiance. Let's fix the ring. Fiance does my makeup.
Show them the glistener.
We gotta fix it. Focus.
Yeah. Don't know.
So I have some makeup laid out right here. Let's see if he gets it right, because he thinks he knows everything. So, are you nervous?
Am I nervous? No, I'm not nervous. You know what? I want to change the game for makeup. Oh, something else? Is it?
I got it.
Alright.
Fine. Alright, so
Try this thing still.
how do we start, babe? Go ahead, take us away.
I'm gonna start with this thing. This. Let me focus.
Tap it.
Tap the thing, hold on.
There you go.
There we go. We're gonna start with this thing, yeah?
What is it, babe? You gotta tell him what it is.
So this is a wait, let me tap us again. We're good?
Yeah.
Yes! So basically this is a pore filler. Primer base. I think it's a primer or something like that. I think you meant to I think you're meant to wipe the thing in it before you start. Wipe the face before you start the makeup. You get me? So basically, you just wanna it's coming out. So you wanna like dop there. You wanna dop there. You wanna dop there on the nose. This thing is nearly finished, mate. Dop there. Oh, dop. That was a bit too much. Dop there as well. You get me? Oops. Oh my Lord Jesus. Where did it go?
I don't know.
You wanna just see that? Rub it all around the face. And then we're gonna go to the boom foundation.
It's upside down.
It's upside down.
Yeah.
Boom foundation.
If
so
you put your hand behind it, it's a little trick that we do.
okay.
There
So
you go.
this is the, as you can see, Clinique,
Clinique.
where we want to pronounce it. It's a stay matte oil free makeup, and then something in French. This is the foundation you're meant to put on the face, like this.
Oh, this feels like a lot.
That's a lot.
Go ahead.
You get me? Give it a tribal mark thing there. Put it in the nose. No, you're right. And we're gonna use this piece of equipment. Yeah, you're meant to use.
What is it called?
The puff thing.
No.
Isn't it? Is it a mixer? I know.
Babe,
so you want
it's called a beauty blender.
Yeah, that one. So you wanna just. Look at that, guys. That's perfection. Next, we're gonna use this powder.
What'd you say?
What's this thing?
There's two different powders. Figure out which one is which.
So this is the next step that I want to do. It's a powder. Revolution. No, revolution. Just puff it like this. Boop, boop. See? You wanna just, and then. Hold on. So you just wanna just wanna start blending the thing. You get me? Yeah. Alright, so that's it. You get me? Nice powder thing. Too much. I think now I have to add more foundation, innit? I can add more foundation, can't I?
I mean, if that's what you feel you have to do.
Alright, because it's looking a bit peak, fam. Yeah, it's a bit mad. Perfect. Yeah, that's looking better still. Yeah. I want to put this, guys. This by L'Oreal True Match Super Blender powder. This huh? See? Look at that. Gives it more of a darker feel to the face.
Back to my skin color?
Yeah, back to your skin color. So I'm gonna use a lot of this, guys, because something's going right again. Yeah, so next we're gonna go into the concealer. Boom! This is called the hold on. The Pro Concealer. Is it? HD High Definition Concealer. I don't know why they call it HD. Like this is a movie. But you know. I'm gonna do a B here.
Oh my god.
Look at the camera. B! And then let me do an M here. Yeah. BM. Let me do a
for what?
A for Arlette. Yeah. Okay, and then let me do bow. So yeah, this is gonna bring back the color, guys. Make sure you rub this well. This is a very
technically it says bam.
Oh. Why is he looking like that, man? How come if I'm looking at here it's not that bad, but over there it looks crazy?
Because this is showing the realness. Oh, that was worse.
Yeah, so eyebrows are gonna use this pencil. Yeah.
Don't mind my eyebrow pencil, okay? Don't mind how little it is.
It's Elf, guys.
Follow the arch.
Follow it along. Get me. I used to be an artiste back in the day. They used to call me BMtist. So this is a mascara. Is it mascara, isn't it?
No, that's liquid eyeliner.
What the hell is liquid eyeliner? What's eyeliner? This is a liquid eyeliner from Elf. I don't know what you do this. I think you put it underneath your your eyebrows. No, underneath your eyelashes. Eyelashes, isn't it? Yeah, make it dark. I'm not gonna put too much of that. Alright guys, so the next step I'm going to put I'm gonna put on the eyeshadow. I'm gonna use this brush for the eyeshadow. The eyeshadow is NYX, and it says happy birthday. I don't know, maybe somebody bought it for her birthday, I don't know.
Yeah, Ulta gave me a birthday gift.
Alright guys, so I'm gonna pick this color here. This one. Look at that. Woo. There we go. Make it shine. Make it shine. Shine, shine. Shine. Shine, shine. There we go. Look. Okay. Now,
I made this very simple. I just put the basic stuff in.
This is simple, guys, because you know I don't have time to be doing these mathematics on makeup. You get me? Yeah. So I wanna put lip gloss on the lips now.
On my lips? You sure?
Okay. It looks a bit peak. So I might add a little bit more of
That's what made the face white.
concealer.
Yeah.
Everything made it more white.
So you're supposed to put foundation all over. The concealer is only supposed to go under my eye. That's why like under my eyes is still looking dark. You're supposed to put it right there. And then you take the setting powder that you put on my face, you put it on top of the concealer. And then you put the dark powder that matches my skin all over my face using this brush.
This makeup thing is not easy.
At all.
Anyways, next time, innit?
Sorry, baby. You tried.
You know, I didn't even know nothing about makeup because I don't even watch her when she does makeup.
Even though he's right there the whole time.
Behind you, on my laptop or on my phone, or playing FIFA. So how is it possible for me to watch you do makeup? You know us become multitask like you. My focus is on whatever I'm doing. But like I said, now I know next time, innit? You get me?
Alright, y'all. Go ahead and rate how well you think he did. Alright, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see y'all in my next video.
Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, yeah? Don't be coming here watching and not liking, commenting, or subscribing.
Period.
Understand? We don't have time for ghost watchers, ghost not likers, ghost not commenters. You get me? So,
support me.
You know what time it is, innit? And obviously, you know it's your Congo boy.
Okay, bye guys.